Hey everybody, it's Shanna P. Today we are going to do a review of L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. It was just another day in Watsons na napuno og swatch ang akong kamuhot and isa ni sa mga products na akong gisulayan. Ug sa dihang hantod pagkaugma, naara gyapon siya sa ako ang kamot ug lisod kay siya tanggalon. And so, maski tag 550 siya, nibalik ko sa Watsons ug nipalit ko kay para testingan sa ako ang kilay. I got it in the shade light brown and it has 8 ml of product and nana siya pakipin double-ended brush with spoolie and precision brush for your kilay application. So sugda na nato, kuha lang tag sakto nga product no, tipid-tipid gamay kay medyo may kamahalan ni. And then start with the tail or kung asa ang pinakaupaw na area sa inyong kilay and draw out the shape that you want. Slowly build up the shape and the color of your kilay and use less and less products padulong sa pikas tumoy. I-blend-blend na lang siya. You could also use some of the products to tint the brow hairs para maglighten gamay kay black yun kayo ang tubo sa akong kilay dye. In fairness, nindot ang brush na pakapin ani ma-achieve yun mo imong shape na gusto and the product itself is very easy to blend. So after several uses, napansin nako na dali lang magkaging ang product sa brush, so it's best if you clean it right away after every use. Okay, aura-aura time. Syempre gibati kog kaanyag kay nahimo na pud kong itsurang tao sa wakas. And a few minutes after application, the kilay is set and it seems like it's not going anywhere. Murag kita. Balera di ito. Whew! Quick outfit change. Pinakalet. Beach trip. Why not? Nakakulot pa ko no. Hindi ako masyadong handa. So, pwede na ako magstorya. Kagipalong na ang radyo sa silingan no. And mag-beach day mi karon. So, naka-makeup agad ko. O yan. So, mag-spray lang tag sunblock before we go. So, my makeup base has SPF na. We'll just spray extra sunblock. Wala ko na aware na mag-beach day meron no. So, alright, let's go! Before we go to the beach, maniud to sa mi. We are here in Tuna on the road. And this is what we're having. Wala, matunga namin sa rice zay. Kaya saan na ito mga bilbil ani zay. Ano oy, mga ano oy. Ngaon. Malinaw Secret Beach. And grabe ka init guys. And they say, di ba nga, sweat proof ko no ang kilay product. We will definitely test that kay sa kainit karon no. Murag maging emotional gud ako ang sweat glands. Grabe. Low tide pa, so mapaabot sa ta. May siesta sa siguro and then hopefully niya makasalom na ta. Medyo taas na ang tubig, pwede ta magsalom and i-video lang ako ang before. So, this is how my kilay looks like before swimming. Let's see kung napabay mabilin after pagligo sa dagat. Tagmili animal welfare dun sa ano ko. It's a prank. Okay, so we're back home and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna take a shower, of course, and let's see kung napay mabilin na kilay after shower. Okay, human akong ligo and I think I should give you my final thoughts about this product, the L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow Longwear Brow Gel. I'll base my review sa packaging para ma-check nato tanan ilang gina-claim. They said it's waterproof. To be fair naman to the product, naligo ko dagat and naligo ko right after. And the product is still there. So as you can see, my brows still look fuller. It is to some extent dependent upon sa activity na imong buhaton on the day. Number 2 and number 3, it's transfer proof and smudge proof. I think that's true. Once it was set, ako siyang rub no and wala siya nagbalhin until now after duha ka ligo no naalang gihapon siya and dili siya naga-smudge or mabalhin, like makita man niyo wala man siya nag-smudge or anything, though naagay mga points na nangawala na siya. So kato mga opaw na ko diri, mga overplucked areas makita na siya, pero Ang tail na ko is actually opal, but you can see there's still some shading there. So, some of the product is still there. Kumakapit pa rin. Is if it's sweat-proof. Grabe kay akong singot ganina dyan. But I think nakalaban good siya. And my brows were still very on fleek before ko naligo and after ko naligo sa dagat. And then, just now na nag-shower na ko, nang wala na good ang uban. No flaking. Yeah, I think wala naman siya nag-flake. So, dili siya luod na magtibugol tanawon even after the long day. And ang pinaka-bold na claim nila sa packaging, up to 3 days fuller brows. I don't think so. I think di na siya moabot og 3 days. I think pagka hilamos na ko og sa buntag, mawala na gid siyang tanan. So, to conclude, for me, I think dili siya makaabot og 3 days, but if it's long-lasting and if it's better than, let's say, using a regular eyebrow pencil, I think you should give it a try. So, kung na mo yung mga outing, or if you have like a long day and you won't have time to touch up or check your kilay kung naa pa ba siya, this is worth the try. But don't expect that it will last you 3 days. Pero sa panahon karon nga magpuyo ra magintag balay, no, I think makaabot siya 3 days or maabot pa siya 1 week kung magtamad-tamad kag ligo dzay. Depende na lang gid sa imo. I was hoping though na pwede siya ka ng alternative sa brow tinting kung makadugay gid siya 3 days. But unfortunately, I don't think it can live up to its promise. But nonetheless, this is still a good product. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this review and unta makatabang ni sa inyo. If you did, don't forget to like my makeup page. That's Makeup by Shana. I upload videos every week. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.